In today's video, we're going to be looking at a quicker way to accessing the properties of an item on our computer. This can be useful to see where the item is stored and also to change some key settings about certain programs. All we need to do is select what we want to see the properties on, and we can either right click and go down to properties, or alternatively we can hold the Alt key and press the Enter key, and that will bring us straight to our properties page. As you can see, it's got the file path, the size of the item, and much more information that we can find that we may need to know for various things. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.